Welcome back to our safety class. On our last video we discussed safety at the workplace. Today we will be stepping further on safety class with the topic of today, Fire Safety Teaching Guide. Introduction. Fire safety is a topic that should never be taken lightly. Understanding and practicing fire safety measures can make the difference between life and death, whether at home, in the workplace, or in any public space. In this video, we'll delve into essential fire safety tips, prevention strategies, and emergency procedures that everyone should know. Let's empower ourselves with the knowledge to protect lives and property from the devastating effects of fires. Understanding the basics of fire. Fire is a fascinating yet potentially dangerous phenomenon. It's important to know the basic science behind fire so that we can both appreciate its beauty and respect its power. Let's break it down using simple language, examples, and an image to help visualize the concept. The fire triangle. Fire requires three key elements to ignite and sustain itself. These elements are often represented as a triangle, aptly called the fire triangle. Imagine a triangle with its three sides labeled heat, fuel, and oxygen. Heat. This is the energy that raises the temperature of a substance to its ignition point. Think of striking a match. The friction generates heat, which is enough to ignite the matchstick. Fuel. Fuel is any material that can burn. It can be a solid, liquid, or gas. Examples of fuel include wood, paper, gasoline, and even natural gas from a stove. Oxygen. Oxygen is the air we breathe. It's essential for the combustion process because it reacts with the fuel, releasing energy in the form of heat and light. 2. The combustion process. When these three elements come together, a chemical reaction occurs, leading to combustion, fire. Here's how it happens. Example, lighting a candle. Heat. When you light a match and bring it close to the candle wick, the heat generated at the match's tip raises the temperature of the wick. Fuel. The candle wax is the fuel. As the heat reaches the wick, it melts the wax near the wick's end. Oxygen. Air contains oxygen. The heat creates a flow of hot air around the wick, providing the oxygen needed for the combustion process. Result: as the melted wax is drawn up the wick, it vaporizes and combines with the oxygen in the air. This reaction produces heat, light, and a flame, a perfect example of the fire triangle in action. 3. Removing any element stops the fire. To control or extinguish a fire, you need to remove at least one element of the fire triangle. This is the foundation of firefighting and fire safety. Example, putting out a campfire. Heat. Pouring water onto the campfire reduces the temperature and removes the heat element. Fuel. Ensuring no additional wood or flammable materials are added eliminates the fuel source. Oxygen. Covering the campfire with dirt or sand restricts the flow of oxygen, thus removing this element. By understanding the fire triangle and the combustion process, you'll have a clearer grasp of why fires start, how they sustain, and how they can be controlled. Remember, while fire can be a useful tool, it's crucial to handle it with care and respect to ensure safety for ourselves and our surroundings. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more educative content. Kindly support our videos and content by liking and sharing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.